head. Okay, so measurement is 1 centimeter. Very good. So we will take 1 centimeter and then we will draw head. How will you draw head? Like this. A circle and an inverted triangle. Like this. Okay, and then we will join. So now when I am making the head, I am not going out of the 1 centimeter line. Okay, and then I am making a head. Got it? The next is neck. 0.5 is the measurement. So here we will take 0.5, 0.5, and here also we will take 0.5, 0.5, and then we will draw neck directly like this. Then shoulder 2 centimeter, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Then bust 1.7. This is 1.567 and this is 1.567, and then waist 1.1 and 1.1. Okay, and then waist again 1.7 and 1.7. इतना तक तो I think everyone knows, right? So let me draw the figure first. Okay, now what we need to do is, as usual, we will mark the midpoint, and then instead of drawing straight line, we will do slanted line because we are doing angles. Got it? So from here, I will take 3 centimeter max. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I got a point here. So from this midpoint to this midpoint, I will join, and this point and this midpoint I will join. Okay, the next 13 is the knee, as it is. Knee point we marked, ankle point we marked, right, and then foot also we will mark. Got it? Then next, I will take the measurement here, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, and then here 0.3, 0.3, here also it is 0.3 and 0.3, and for the foot it is 0.5, 0.5 again. Same measurement. I'm just changing the direction. Okay, and now I will draw the flesh out. As it is the way I have taught you last time, how to draw freehand, same way. Okay, now what about the hands? For hands also we have these two lines. Okay, so here also we will mark the midpoint, and then we need to calculate the hand, because earlier the hand was straight, now the hand is moving. Okay, so how will you calculate? So if you remember, the hand is starting from the shoulder, but if you will talk about the axis line of the hand, it is starting in the middle of 11 to 2, right? Because we are putting mid mark, so midpoint of 11 to 2, correct? So 11 to 2 is how much? 1.5, right? So if I am if I am marking midpoint of 11 to 2, that is 0.7, 7 point, okay, 0.7, right? So यहाँ से यहाँ it is 0.75, okay. Then the hand is going till elbow, okay, sorry, waist. So it is going till here. Till here, right? So 2 to 3 is similar like this distance. So 2 to 3 is how much? 3 centimeters. So here also it is 3 centimeters, right? Then hand is falling till 5, right? So यहाँ पे 3 to 4 again 3 centimeter. So here is the crotch and the wrist. So this is how much? 3 to 4. How much? 3 centimeter, right? And then 4 to 5 again 3 centimeter. Got it? So now this is the elbow point, this is the wrist point, and this is the last. Okay, so elbow is all total 3 plus 0.7. It means 3.7 centimeter is the upper arm. Lower arm is 3 centimeter. Okay, and the palm is 3 centimeter. Understood the calculation? Okay, now by following this calculation, this measurement, I am going to draw the hand. How will I draw hand? I will take measurement here, midpoint here, and then first I will take 3.7. So 3.7, let's say the hand is going that way or like this, straight. Okay, 3.7. Right? This is the 3.7. The next 3 centimeter. So this is the wrist, this is the elbow, and again 3 centimeter is your palm. Okay, now what we need to do? Elbow measurement is 0.3. Okay, so I will take 0.3 and 0.3, and then here again wrist 0.2 and 0.2. Okay, and then here I will draw the hand. Got it? How to draw? Now what about this? Okay, here you need to practice the hand gestures. Okay, this is the main thing you need to practice. Okay, let's say if I am putting my hand on my waist or my head or whatever hand gestures I'm doing, how will you practice? So first of all, divide into two parts, 1.5, 1.5. Make a trapezium like this. So this is like trapezium. Okay, basically like this, and then make a box here which is little bit bigger, so there will be gap between fingers, that is why it's a bigger box. Okay, then you will make box here. Okay, now the thumb will start like this. Okay, let's make it a little bit light. The thumb will go like this. Okay, and then from here other finger will start. Okay, so finger measurement is like this, right? And then draw lines here. How many lines? Three lines. 4 fingers and 3 lines. Okay, and then like this. Okay, so this is the way you can practice. Okay, not this circle. Okay, let's say this hand is looking like this way. So another hand is on the waist. So again I will take 3.7 and here it is 3. Okay, and then it is on the waist, right? So here what I will do, 1.5 like this and 1.5 like this. Got it? So now when I am taking, because the whole palm is 3 centimeter, no? Okay, so when I am putting my hand like this, I have what do you say, it's not straight completely, right? There is a little bit of bend, right? So this is the first knuckle, this is the wrist, and this is the elbow. Okay, now when I am taking 3 centimeter, the hand is looking very bigger than the waist. Okay, so what we will do here, you can do free hand or else centimeter and 1 centimeter like this. Okay, so basically the hand will look like this time, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So this is only when you're putting your hand on the waist or you're doing any kind of a hand movement. Visually the hand is looking very bigger than the body. Then you can change according to your thing. Okay. Otherwise the technical measurement is 3 centimeter only. Okay. So now what we need to do? Here how much we need to take? Elbow 0.3. So I will take 0.3 obviously here and here. Okay, and then wrist I will take 0.2 and 0.2. Okay, so how I am taking measurement? I am taking measurement on basis on this line. Okay, this line has to align with the scale line. Okay, then यहाँ पे we will draw the flesh. Okay, now if you have noticed, if you must have noticed, when you are folding the hand, okay, so this muscle is dominating this. Okay, do like this. Okay, so when you are doing like this, you cannot see this muscle, you can see this muscle. If we will see from the front view, okay, let's see, like this. Okay, this muscle is popping up and this is hidden. But if I will do like this, you can see this one and this one also. This is not popping up. Okay, but when I am doing movement, this is popping up. Okay, so that is why what I will do is, I will give a curve. Okay, and then I will touch this point, and then here it is, there is no muscle. It's flat. So here I will give flat. Got it? Then comes your hand. Again here also you need to practice. So same way for trapezium. So here I am not taking any measurement. I am doing completely free hand. Okay. So this is the trapezium I have made for the palm area, and then for the finger I am making it like this. Yeah. Or if you have gap between hands, the shape will go like this. Got it? So sometimes it will look like completely straight. Sometimes it will look like this because you have fingers. Okay. And then 1, 2, 3. यहाँ पे you will have like this. Okay, now let's not practice this because it's a little bit tricky because we are learning. So we will make straight. Okay, so first finger, fourth finger will be long, middle finger will be more long, and then ring finger will be little short, and then ring finger will be completely short. Okay, so we will erase it and then we will draw clearly. Like this. Still it's not looking nice because I am also practicing. Okay. Okay, so here when you're putting your hand like this, there is a muscle here, right? So here what I will do is I will give a little bit of curve. Got it? ठीक है? अगर इतना नहीं हो रहा है, you can't do it, then do one thing. This trapezium anyway you are going to do, and then make a box here, and then draw your fingers. Okay? Then little finger के लिए you can just draw like this. Got it? थोड़ा सा practice होगा. You need to do practice right now. Okay, and then you must be wondering where is the thumb.
Back side.
Thumb is going back side, so you cannot see. If you cannot see, then you don't have to.
Lucky, not drawing that up.
Okay, or hardly you can show like this. Only one line. Okay, so this is the way you can make A pose. Got it? Then next, K pose. How will you do K pose? It's very easy. Okay, I will not show everything. Okay, so today I will just cover A and K. Other thing we will do next. Okay, so for K pose, let's say from 3 we will draw. Okay, 3 say 10. Okay, let's see कितना आता है. So this is 3, 1.1. Mid is hip 1.7. Okay, then here.
भी उठा के पूछे 3 में क्या आता, 12 में क्या आता, what is that part?
Yes,
It's like that.
you have to remember like that.
Only based on numbers we can draw.
Okay, now the K pose. How will you do K pose? Obviously here, remember one leg will be straight Another leg will go from here and then it will touch the knee point on the main axis line. And then from here, don't have to draw like this, thoda sa. Make it practical. Okay? Because you saw Dikshita was trying, but nahi ho pa raha tha, right? So it means it's uncomfortable pose, which is not practically possible, even if you are drawing it, right? So make practical poses. Don't give so much of gap, and then draw like this. Okay? And then mark all the points. This is knee point, ankle, and foot. This one you draw. You know how to draw straight as it is. How will you draw this one? Now you have to imagine, or else ask your friend to do pose and then draw her.
Overlapping.
Ha. So here I will take measurement here. Sometimes it will overlap, sometimes it will not. 0.5, 0.3 and 0.5. ये हो गया. Then I will draw the leg. So every time Dikshita will not stand for you. Right? So ये हो गया. Done. Then यहाँ पे 13 is a knee point. So how much we need to take? बोलो. 0.5. अभी लिया ना 0.5. ठीक है. 0.3. And then 0.5. Okay. Now here till knee it is same. Acha. Here when the leg is going this side, you cannot see the gap here. Okay. Even if you are giving very less.
That is hidden.
Yeah. When you will draw X pose, will you able to see the gap? No. आपको imagine करना पड़ेगा. Okay. And then here we will draw the thigh. Will touch 0.5. So यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा lightly we can see the gap. Okay. Now because we are giving gap here, if you will see this thigh is looking thick, this thigh is looking thin. So what I will do, I will give a little bit more flare this side. Better. And now till knee it is basic. You don't have to draw. When you're tilting your leg, where you can see your calf muscle? Only one side. Here both the side, but for K pose it is one side. Which side? Only this side. This side will be completely straight. Got it? So here we will add calf muscle like this, and this side it is straight. Okay, and now the leg position, the foot position will change. Okay?
Don't do this.
Okay, then next, the way you are practicing hand gestures, here also you need to practice the foot gestures. Okay, so here either you can make like this is also okay, you can make. Okay, but sometimes the leg will look like this. Right? So how I am doing? This is the 9. This is the 10. So here I am putting a circle. Okay. Other side I am putting a circle over here. Okay. And then I'm just following the edges of the circle and then coming back to the 14 point. Okay. Then here it's going like this. So if you will see the circles, this circle is a little bigger, this circle is a little smaller. So this circle should be a little bit more smaller. I made it bit big. Okay. And then I will touch the edge of the circle again, and then here I will add like this. Okay. And then if you want to show any kind of a footwear, you can show it here, not here. Okay. You can show heels. Okay. हाँ. Here you cannot show. Okay. Something like this.
इलस्ट्रेशन में शू को भी डिटेलिंग डाल सकते
हाँ. हाँ. फिर इलस्ट्रेशन कैसे होगा?
मतलब उतने छोटा सा पार्ट को
हाँ. जितना पॉसिबल है उतना डालोगे. ठीक है. So this is the K pose and this is the A pose. Okay. And